bike 3. Oh, there's Joe on his new bike. Here they are going up the jumps. There's Joe and there's his other buddy. There's Roger. Joey's in the yellow shirt. And here comes Joe again. Here goes Roger. There goes Joe. Whoa, Joe, good air. Here comes Joey. Whoa, alright, here Joe. Whoa. There goes Roger. Joey. Let's see how this does it. See if it looks like they're higher. Go! Go! Keep going, guys. I'll get you. Here comes Joe. Whoa, Joe, get here. Here goes Joey. Joe, whoa. Good game, isn't it? Whoa. There he goes. Whoa. Okay, here comes Joe. Oh, that one a little slow. He must have been tired. Now he's going to hit this jump in front of us. Really fly. There goes Joey. Here comes Joe. There he goes. Oh, Joe wiped out. You all right, Joe? There goes Joey. Don't run over him, Joey. Oh, stop that one. Better not drink that Coke now. Oh, why'd you come out here? Go up there. Okay, we'll be going just a second. Here comes Joe. After his wipe out, he probably looks fine now. Oh, Joe took another header in his uniform. He's got to go over the jump. Hope he don't wipe out, put a hole in his uniform. He's going up the big one. Now he'll come and go over the smaller one right there. Keep going.
Get some air.
Get some air, Scott. Whoa, that's some air. Okay, I got it there.
Wait until I get up there, kid.
Oh, Joe, hurry up. We gotta be going. Hurry up. Go ahead. All right. Okay, Scott. Oh, nice air, Scott. Okay, there's Joe and Joey right behind him. Oh, got you both. All right, Joe. You didn't wipe out, Joe. Hey, Joey, you didn't wipe out. Okay, Joey, let's see ya. All right. Here comes Scott. Oh, Scott, way to muscle it up there. Here comes Joe. Let's see you get some air. And Scott at the same time. All right. Here comes Joey. Yeah, ready. Here you go, Joe. Whoa. Here goes Joey. Whoa.
Joey,
Okay, here's Joey. He's going to go over me.
He's coming. Dan!
Oh.
Dan!
Okay, there's Joe and his buddies and Scott. There's Joe, Roger, Scott, Joey. Larry, Moe, and Curly, the Three Stooges.
Got it?
Okay, there's the results of Joe's falls.
Hey, look at my arm, too. Elbow?
It wouldn't be Joe without scabs on his elbows, knees, or head, or somewhere. Here we go. Here's the front of our house. There's Joe and his buddy playing basketball.